How can European trader start to trade with Forex, stocks, stock market indices, oil, gold, major commodities, and government bond yields? Well, if you want to trade all these markets, you have to have a good broker and basic grasp of trading principles. If you have so, you have huge opportunities to make money each month and each year, regardless of what happens in market. And luckily for you, in this video we will explore one of the premier brokers for retail forex traders in Europe. So let's start and let's analyze Vantage Markets in more depth and see how you could actually trade with it yourself. Okay traders, now we have Vantage Markets dashboard. Actually this is rather straightforward dashboard and it's made in similar ways as you could see all major brokers have made. Firstly, in order to understand whether this is not a scam, we have to simply see disclaimer lower. So you could see it is regulated in all major jurisdictions. You could see here, this is regulation in UK, this is regulation in Australia, this is regulation in South Africa, this is a registration for all regional markets outside of financial centers. So also it has disclaimers of regional restrictions and then it has usual risk disclaimers about financial products and specific instruments, whether this is forex, stocks, oil, gold trading and whatnot. So from this, if you have particular doubts, you could actually go and see these addresses and see these registration numbers and cross-check yourself whether this broker is any good or it is not. From what I can see, it is sound, and the first most important test whether the broker is properly regulated and if it isn't a scam is set. So if you're European, it's safe for you to trade with this broker. And then let's start to explore what are the key characteristics, how this broker works and how it is beneficial for you. So first things first, let's explore trading accounts. We have three possibilities: Pro account for $10,000 and upwards, ECN account and STP account. Difference is that this account doesn't ask any pips, so it has zero spreads, but it requires commission for each traded lot. This doesn't have any commission for each traded lot, but it requires pips depending on the markets you trade. As a rule of thumb, typically start with STP account and then see whether one account or second account is more beneficial for your trading style. So ECN or STP are your four methods of choice, depends on how large your trading volume is and how large your trading capital is. But these commissions, they might eat out your capital if you don't understand how much you actually trade per each trading day or week. Next important thing, if we are going to our dashboard, is to understand what are the trading platforms. For that, we simply have to see the major dashboard and see that all the major platforms are here: MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4 and TradingView. These are the most important platforms all traders trade, and we have to have this regardless of which broker we use. So we see here that we have here TradingView. You simply could download it and hook it up with Vantage Markets dashboard. So if you're using advanced trading analysis, this is absolute must and huge advantage for Vantage brokers. If you are for more simple trading, web trading will do the trick. If you have low frequency of trades and if you hold them for a long time, you don't need complicated analysis, web trading will work. Or if you are more old school guy, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 will do the trick. I wouldn't give you explanations on how to set them up because they are here for like 30 years. But most importantly for you, once you set it up, you have to choose. Maybe if you are a beginner, you could start with web trading and then install either TradingView or one of the MetaTraders, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So this is the basic way forward. And then you have to see what are the deposit methods and withdrawal methods. Minimal account is $50. So this is what you have to deposit, and you could do that either with card payment or bank wires. Withdrawal method is identical as to the deposit methods. It wouldn't take any problem or issue whatsoever. And this is most important, that it is really fast, really neat, very straightforward. So no worries about deposit or withdrawal methods. So most of that is set up, and now we could go and see what kind of markets and tools we have if we actually want to trade Vantage Markets. Let's go further. If we are looking at our dashboards, we are seeing we have several asset classes we could use. Forex with major and exotic pairs, stock market indices, commodities, stock market shares or largest companies, ETFs, interesting new feature, and government bonds. So all major asset classes are here if you are a retail trader. Now I opened indices section, and here is a description of which kind of indices, for instance, we have. And clearly we see we have Dow Jones Industrial Average, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Nasdaq, Japan, S&P 500, Australian, UK, and volatility index. So we see we have all the largest stock market indices. If we go to shares, CDFs, we would see what kind of shares we might trade. And for instance, here we could see that we have largest stocks from Dow Jones Industrial Average. And we have all products and in more detail once we have trade dashboard. But my point is that whether you want to trade gold, oil, euro against dollar, S&P 500, United States government bonds, both long and short, you could trade this with one platform without any problems whatsoever. You could trade standard lots, mini lots, micro lots, doesn't have any issue by trading them and using in the way you prefer. That's pretty neat. And then there are other products, and one of them is copy trading. So if you have good trading angle and good trading strategy, I strongly suggest you to get your track record in Vantage Markets and then work as a signal provider or copy trading provider and make passive income out of that. But if you are looking for passive income and want to explore more opportunities from other traders, they also have great copy trading team and great approach how to copy trade. So whether you want to trade for yourself or copy others, this is really great. And actually we will have separate video about this section in few days. And if you want to explore copy trading with Vantage Markets in more depth, stay tuned, follow my YouTube channel, and you will see how I will show you how you could actually set up your own copy trading guide, or how you can copy from best traders and how to actually see whether this is a good trader or he simply is a fraud. So if you are new to Forex trading and want to have a broker from Europe, with copy trading, this is one of the best approaches in the market for retail Forex and CFD traders. So this is very, very great. And now let's wrap this all up. So it's really simple. We have a broker which is internationally regulated, broker with very low threshold of initial deposit, with good deposit and withdrawal methods, with commission-free trading accounts, with accounts which provide you with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, web trading, and TradingView. Broker which will give you all possibilities to trade across all major asset classes, whether you are trading treasuries, gold, stocks, or whatever. It will all be provided into one platform. Plus, if you want to make additional money, you could provide your own copy trading services and get additional income, or you could simply copy from the best traders. It's all very simple, very straightforward. You could start to trade easily in 30 minutes. All you have to do is look at registration account. This is how you will probably see this from your side, and you simply have to fill it all up. You will immediately be registered, and then you have to finish it by having your ID verified, your address verified, and you have to make your own first deposit, which is only $50, which is effectively nothing. So this is the simple approach how to do it, and then we will see how we could actually start to trade from Vantage Markets, and most importantly, how to make passive income. For that, stay tuned for my next video where you will see exactly that. So make sure you are following me on my YouTube channel. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel and watching all of my videos of other trading reviews, because in other videos we are seeing how to make money internationally with crypto, how to make money with other specific niche brokers, and what are the best options for copy trading, regardless if you want to trade crypto or you want to trade regular assets. This is one of the best options for European traders. So look at it seriously and register with it. And now in next video, as I told you previously, let's see how we could make copy trading income with this same